So hey guys, it has been reported that Samsung's Galaxy S23 FE could resemble the Galaxy S22 and not the S23 in one important way. While some specific details have surfaced, this suggests that there might be some similarities between the design and features of the Galaxy S23 FE and the Galaxy S22 rather than the Galaxy S23.
Wait, what?
It's worth noting that Samsung has a history of releasing fan edition versions of their flagship smartphones, which offer similar features to the main flagship devices but at a more affordable price point. These fan edition devices often borrow design elements and features from the previous generation flagship, while also introducing some improvements and enhancements. For example, in the case of the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 FE, it is possible that the S23 FE could inherit certain design elements such as the camera setup or the placement of buttons from the S22. Not only that, the Galaxy S23 FE is rumored to feature a 10-megapixel front-facing camera to help you obtain clear and prettier selfies, compared to the 32-megapixel snapper housed in the S21 FE's center hole punch. That's because the S23 Fan Edition is likely to employ the same 10-megapixel sensor found on the front of last year's main Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, which was obviously no pushover. Of course, this year's S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra all switched to a very solid 12-megapixel front-facing sensor, although it's certainly a little disappointing to hear that the Galaxy S23 FE will not adopt the same selfie camera as the rest of the S23 family. We should probably focus on the positive and be glad that Samsung is planning an improvement in this area over early 2022 release S21 FE. Not to worry, the S23 FE will substantially step things up in the main back camera department with a 50-megapixel sensor, probably borrowing from the S23 and S23 Plus, while most likely packing a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor either stateside or worldwide. It's also important to mention that the Galaxy S23 and S22 have some common features. Both devices use a 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x panel with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. These displays are known for their vibrant colors, deep blacks and smooth scrolling experience. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 FE? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.